Hi everyone, I'm Julie with the FenceCloud team, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly close bids using FenceCloud. To get started, I'll add in a site plan. And you can see there are multiple site plan options, but I'm going to use MapDraw because it calibrates the footages directly from the satellite image, which is super helpful when you're trying to create a job layout quickly. Right, I'll add a single gate and adjust this stretch. All right, next I'll select my materials. Well, one of the things that makes FenceCloud very unique is the fact that most supplier materials are ready for estimating right out of the box. That means that you can install multiple suppliers and have them ready to estimate right away. And you can see I've installed a few suppliers for this demo. Now I could use the supplier's default estimating engine that's ready to go right here, but instead I'm going to use a material template to break this job down even faster. And 2 clicks, our material breakdown is complete. Every nut, bolt, and tie wire has been accounted for. Now, when you install a new supplier for the first time, we do recommend that you double check the material calculations to make sure that it's estimating the way that your company expects. There are a lot of estimating settings that you can fine-tune to customize it for your company. Now I'll go ahead and add in some labor. Labor is another area that we see handled differently in different companies, so there's a lot of customization that you can do for labor as well. All right, and now my bid is complete. All I need to do is check my pricing. Now I've loaded in some sample pricing, so mine's all ready to go. And I'll go ahead and create a contract and collect a signature. Now, FenceCloud has multiple e-signature options, but for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and use an in-person signature. That way we can get this contract signed before we even leave the driveway. All right, and within 5 minutes, this entire bid is now complete. We've gotten our material breakdown, our job sketch, our labor has been added, and our contract has been signed. If you have any questions about how to estimate with FenceCloud, hop on over to our website to schedule a demo or sign up. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have and get you started with a 30-day free trial. Till next time, this is Julie with FenceCloud wishing you nothing but success.